Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Yes, I got important info here. Not too many of you can stomach. I hope you're not one of those who decided to send $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to Elon Musk on Twitter, and then you got taken for a nice ride. I really hope you're not one of them. A lot of people did it. I don't know why, but this is just a perfect example of socialism and obviously theft. Socialism does it successfully every time. They promise you free lunch / free money. I'll give you $1,000 for free if you send me $1,000. That's basically what the government tells you when it's a socialist / communist government. It's never the case. If they tell you give me $1,000, I'll give you two. You better be sure. Not only they're going to take that grand you sent them, you're going to have to pay another 10. Okay. So, cold hard fact for those who are asleep or those who are sheeple. Like I said again, I hope you're not one of them. This was happening on Twitter yesterday, and guess what? Every single VIP, if you will, account, those blue check marks, I believe they were protected immediately. They were shielded off. It wasn't like Twitter did something to hurt them when they decided for all these blue check accounts they could not tweet for 2-3 hours, 5 hours. I forget how long it took yesterday for them to be able to get back online on Twitter. So I believe Twitter just shielded them off. This is just another example how the bigs get bailouts and the smalls get handouts. So average Joes got spanked while the VIPs got shielded off, they got protected. And you can see that through, all this PPP loans, whatever they're calling them, all the free money that government's supposed to be handing out to help because of COVID and all this stuff. Who got all the money? Big corporations, not mom and pop shops. That's just a reality. You guys can, tell me if I'm wrong. Write it down below in the chat box. Tell me this is not the case. The government and everyone else, the big tech, the big brother, they're looking out after you. Let me know if I'm wrong. All right, besides all that, that's why I always tell you, be your own security by holding a bunch of ammo. You know how to use firearms. You better know how to use them. You better have them in a safe place, in a lockbox, ready to go in case you need it. And the way it looks, you will need them. Be your own bank by holding hard tangible assets so you can protect yourself against inflation. You can protect yourself against currency issues. Okay, that's what holding gold and silver and platinum do, especially gold and silver. It's protecting you against inflation. It's protecting you against money printing. Okay, it's not protecting you against equities. You can get probably a lot more yield right now in tech stocks even today, even though it looks like it's reaching the top right now. But NASDAQ is looking strong. You can get probably bigger yield. But that's not what I'm talking about here. That's just way too risky. It can go to zero by the time you wake up the next day. So you gotta protect yourself against hyperinflation, against mass inflation, and against overall manipulation of currency / money printing that you are witnessing right now. That's what you're doing by holding gold. You're protecting your purchasing power in a way. So I hope you guys keep doing that. If you're keeping it super simple, keep it super simple. If you got $5,500 to your name, it's not a lot of money. For some people is a lot, but however you want to look at it, you got $1,200. You're in the world of hurt anyways. Put 10 or 20% of that cash into hard tangible assets. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Okay? It would be smart just to have a backup plan in case your dollar cannot buy you anything anymore, or you need 20 times more than you have right now to get the same thing you were hoping for when you save it. So I hope you guys understand that. When it comes to the stock market today, I did not buy anything. Okay, I was telling you about AMPY, what I did yesterday. I called the drop about $1.10, $1.05 I waited. It did not get me to $1.05, but I got in at about 111, 114, I forget, and I sold at 135. It got up to 143, so I did not predict exact top, but I was pretty close. So I sold at 23% jump that happened the day when I recorded the video, just a few hours later. And then I said, I'm expecting a drop, I'm expecting a sell-off. And as I'm speaking right now, right before the market close, AMPY is down about 14%. So I'd like to get into that one when it drops another 10. So I'm hoping tomorrow it drops again. I will be going back in. And for right now, I'm only holding a very large position in a mining stock called USAS. USAS, America's Gold and Silver Mining. It's $2.50 right now. I bought it at $1.90 and I got another position at $1.39. So I'm cost averaging this one. I will not sell it anymore. I'm going to wait because it did not hit 52-week high yet. It's about $2 short of 52-week high, while most gold mines are already at the 52-week high or they already passed it. And this one has really good fundamentals as well. So you can use volatility in a way when you do your research and find really good stocks that have good fundamentals, good balance sheet, etc. You can use volatility as a tool, not a risk, by cost averaging, and you can stomach big drops, like let's say 30-40% that can happen, and then just add more to your position. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, share it with your friends, share it with your family. Put thumbs up. It takes 1 second to click that button if you like it. If you don't like it, put thumbs down. I'm a big boy, I can handle it. Take care, everyone, and God bless you. Tomorrow I'm going to do another video, what I'm doing with the stock market. If you're interested, I will, hoping to have it uploaded and ready for you by 2 o'clock Eastern, but a lot of times it just doesn't happen that way for some reason. The video gets posted a little later. So I'll do my best to have it on time for you so you can hopefully make some money, make some currency, and use that currency to acquire real money. Take care.